warning for Queens County in southeast New York, southwestern Nassau County in southeast New York, Brooklyn in southeast New York, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:31 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Flatbush and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Sheep's Head Bay, Canarsie, Rockaway Beach, Howard Beach, Kennedy Airport, Cedarhurst, Woodmere, Valley Stream, Atlantic Beach, Lynbrook, Long Beach, Oceanside, Lido Beach, and Freeport, in addition to large hail and damaging winds. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Monday evening for southern Connecticut and southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in New York: Brooklyn,